Welcome to DJMTV.
And welcome now once again to DJMTV. Make sure do it to the follow us, like, share and subscribe. As now here they bring all the ogbonge news they come your way. On today news, not be news again, say that they look for Yahaya Bello, the ex-governor of Kogi State. EFCC chairman don't come outside now to talk, say he don't fair invite him privately before this matter even escalates, but the man go they decline to come. He don't talk, say he go make sure say that man go face the law, because money where he don't withdraw, not be small thing. Even talk say he go withdraw money in dollars, go borrow the change. He go send and go borrow the change account, make them pay his daughter school fees. My people, not be small thing they happen for Nigeria. I want play on the video, make una hear how Inte talk this matter. Watch this video reach the end.
Was this chief of There's cashier, the government house cashier, the guy that was bringing the billions. I'm so passionate about the debate for us to move forward in this country. Because he knows he's going. You move money. I mean, the particulars of offense is there. It's before court. Go and check it. Apply for our processes, please. You will get some of these particulars of offense there. Move money directly from government to build the change. Use it to pay the child's school fee in advance. In advance. Dollars. How much? 71? In dollars, yes. In dollars. It was $72,000. $720,000, sorry. $720,000 in advance. In anticipating that he was going to leave government house. In a poor state like Kogi. I want me to close my eyes to that. Under the guise of saying I'm being used by who? At this stage of my life, used by who? By who? For crying out loud. I assumed officer. I didn't initiate the case. I inherited the case file. I called for the case file. I called for the report. And I said, look, there are issues here. Do you know on my honor, I put a call across to him, which ordinarily I'm not supposed to do. Just to honor him as a governor, as a pastor. Sir, there are issues. I've seen this case file. Can you just come? Let us clarify these issues. I'm under camera. He said, sir, I thank you, my brother. I know, but I can't come. There's one lady, I don't know what her name is, that she had said, she has surrounded the EFCC with over 100 journalists, to come and embarrass him and intimidate him and all kind of stuff. I said, okay, if that is your fear, I'm going to pass you through my own gate, special man's gate. You will come to my floor. We will accord you that respect. I will invite my operatives. They will come and interrogate you or interview in my own office. What could be more honorable than that? In my own office. To allay the fear. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. You know what he said? But can't they come to my village? That's what he told me. Can't they come to my village to come and say, I told you. He also got it. He sent a message to him. Like the other of the investigation sent a message to him. So me to say we are handling him, we are harassed. Let's be fair on this. Look, we need the EFCC. We need the institution to survive. We need this institution to survive. I'm telling you. So many victims that we have wiped tears off their eyes. People that we have swindled and all of that. In their millions. How much are we going to say? Every day we keep recovering money for victims. Every day. In my 6 months, we have recovered close to 120 billion.
My people, open I don't watch the video finish. I don't hear what the EFCC chairman talk. What do you think concerning this matter? This matter go long. Well, make una drop una comment for comment section. Make una not forget to like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news, make una do well to stay safe for una do. DJ